Hey guys, so this is a test of my new GoPro 7 Black which I just bought, and along with that I thought I should shoot my city, Mumbai. A lot of friends who come from other cities ask us where should we go, what should we do. I actually don't know, though it's a great city, it's a very vibrant city, it's a very cool city. I don't know what to say, where to go, because we pretty much take these places for granted. And you can see behind me, this is where I am. This is South Mumbai. This is Gateway of India behind me. And I'm going to shoot a couple of popular places, different modes of transport. I'm going to travel around the city. After the video, you take a call where you want to go. And do let me know what you think about this video. Do let me know what you think about Mumbai.